guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So on this video I want to try and do my hair for the very first time. So these are the braids. I'm going to be using this one, darling, and this is the color I chose. It's also my very first time I am ever having this color on my head. Even when I had my hair out before the dreadlocks, I had never tried this color on. So it's the very first time I'm going to be trying this. So I'd like to see how we can out with this. So yeah guys, I'm starting out. I washed my hair, it's very clean. It has been drying, hair drying, so, and it's well moisturized. So yeah, I guess you're ready to start braiding. Yes guys, let's get to it. So obviously guys, you're going to have to part your hair first. It's going to be the first thing you do, and I know this might be the most challenging part. It was not easy for me as well. So yeah, but you just have to do it, and you're going to get better at it as you go. So yeah, also your lines don't have to be perfect and straight. So guys, on my case I chose to do big braids. Yeah, so on each braid I had 4 pieces of hair. So I first of all start with a braid. I do like 2 to 3 braids, and then I start adding in the pieces of hair one by one. You add 1 piece, and then you do 2 braids, you add another piece, you do 2 braids, another piece, just like that until you finish the 4 of them, and then now you finish up the whole braid as one. That's what I was doing. I hope you guys are going to be able to do it, and to see, most importantly, to see how I am doing. I hope it will be clear for you guys. So these were the long braids. I chose to do the long braids, and I still feel like they were not as long as I would have loved them to be. Maybe I should have added some braids, some pieces of hair as I was going, but it's okay. I'll do that next time maybe. So when you get to the end, you just tie a knot so that it doesn't unravel so easily, and then we continue. So first of all, you need to divide your hair into 3 portions so that you start braiding, and then you add your hair pieces one by one. I hope it's not too fast. I hope you guys get something out of it. So these braids took me quite some time to finish, because as I said, I have 2 babies. One is almost 2 years and the other one is almost 3 months. So you can imagine I had to take some time off to take care of their needs, mommy duties. But yeah, I finally managed to finish. So we are done with the first row. Now we've gone to the next one. So it's quite a just a repetition of what we've been doing, and by now I am hoping you guys are going to be able to grip what I'm doing, and you can do it on your own. I was impressed by how they came out. I am not perfect in it, but I was happy with the outcome. So you guys, by the end of the video, just go ahead and rate my work out of 10. Just tell me what you think I scored out of 10. And I think I did quite well. So I had at some point I had to do the parting of the hair and use rubber bands to secure the portions that I had made so that it's easier for me. By the end of the video, you guys will be seeing that. So I had to do that so that it's easier. And I think my braid is quite neat, guys. What do you think? I think my braid is quite neat. So I hope you guys are going to try out. As you can see right now, this is at night. Like, you guys, I started braiding my hair at around 1, and this is around I think 9 at night, or maybe 10. This is after all the babies have gone to bed and I had to resume doing my hair. I was not going to sleep without finishing, so I went ahead to continue doing the hair until I was done. I finished at around 12 midnight. That is when I was finishing and sleeping. So I had to continue finishing up the whole thing, because now after you've done your hair, you have to dip the braids in hot water so that they are neat and they do not unravel. Yeah, so all that was joboya the next day. So that's my last piece. Hapa ndio mtu usikia raha yote, because you finished up quite a huge task. Kujisonga sio rahisi as much. It may look easy and all that, but it is not. So that's my last braid. I think I tried even with the parting. I really think I tried. So yes guys, what do you think? How do you rate my work out of 10? Let me know on the comment section down below. Remember to subscribe, guys, and like my video if you think I did quite a good job. And we are done, and as I said, new siku, so at this point I was just feeling too sleepy and I had to go to bed. Yeah, so good night from here and good morning. This is the next day. So here I am dipping my hair in hot water. As I said, you have to dip them in hot water so that they do not unravel, and also zinakuwa mzuri. Before you dip them in hot water, zinakuwa a bit bulky and all that, but when you dip them in the water, they become quite nice. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. And then I chop off the ends that don't look so neat, and that's it. That is it, guys. I am basically done, and this is going to be my protective hairstyle for quite some time. I'm not sure for how long I'm gonna have this on, but yeah. And now I have added some accessories just to make the style look a little bit better. So yeah guys, what do you think? How do you think I did? Out of 10, give me some good marks. I know I tried, right? So that is me just trying to hold up my hair. So guys, that is it from me. I am so proud of myself. I did so well. So yeah guys, go ahead and rate my work. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video. Thank you for sticking until this end. I appreciate your support so much. Make sure you like my video, and don't forget to rate my work down there. Bye. I'll see you guys on my next video.